Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is on the Molemo Solar Bird Repellent. So some time back I purchased a bird repellent and it's been working, but I'm curious how this solar bird repellent will do. And here's the one we purchased. As you can see, it lost its beak. And we purchased this because we were tired of having bird droppings on our picnic tables. And the other issue we were having was we were getting these small little birds that fit through the chicken coop wire, and they were eating the chicken's food. And we definitely cannot have wild birds mixing with our hens because we don't want these wild birds to end up giving our hens any lice. Let's head on over to the workshop. And here's our solar bird repellent. Let's open up this box. Okay. Whoa, this is a nice size one. It's a big difference than the one I have. Nice. And our owl is wrapped in plastic, so let's cut this off as well. All right. Now our owl has 3 modes: on, center, and off. And show you the bottom right here. You have your off, center, and on. When you place your switch in the center, it will only activate flashing eyes and moving head. The on position will activate flashing eyes, moving head, and owlish sounds. That is cool. I did not know that it did all that. Now the owl I have showed you outside, I'll go get it in a few seconds. All that does is just a bobblehead. That's it. It doesn't do anything. This is actually pretty cool. A lot of electronics involved here. Okay, so let's put our switch on the center position. And here's our motion sensor. That's cool. And if you notice, it took a few seconds for the motion sensor to pick up, but once it did, it turned on. Now we're going to put it on the on position, and it should give us the flashing eyes, the moving head, and also the owlish sound, which I'm curious. Put it on the on position. Press our owl down. And just to show you a size comparison, as you can see, this is just a bobblehead. Nothing special there. The crazy thing is, this cost me the same price as this one. Wow. As of right now, I have it on the center position. That's why you don't hear the owl right now. And it's solar powered. You can't go wrong with that. That's awesome. And just to show you, at the bottom we have some anchors here, so you can tie this down. Product also comes with a warranty card. Your unit also comes with hardware, so you can mount it to your fence posts, gardening box, picnic table. The cool thing is you could also use this repellent as a Halloween decoration. Nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. We won't be needing that. Yeah, this is awesome. Also, another thing is, a buddy of mine, he's been complaining about pigeons. This will definitely keep the pigeons away. Also, this is a sponsored video, and by being a sponsored video, I have an exclusive offer for you. By using my affiliated code, all caps, 20, Handyman 20, you get 20% off your purchase. Just simply visit the link in the description at the bottom. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll have many more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.